What if an AI could help you spot crypto trading opportunities in seconds, even while you sleep? And no, you do not need to be a crypto expert or professional trader to understand this. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how beginners are using AI trading strategy on DeFi platform to automate crypto trades and react to market faster than humans can. Let's break it down simply. First, what is cryptocurrency? Think of crypto like digital money that lives online instead of inside a bank. Coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum can be sent, traded, or stored using the internet. Now, what is DeFi? DeFi stands for decentralized finance. That sounds complicated, right? But here's the simple version. Instead of using a traditional bank or broker, DeFi platform lets people trade and manage money directly using blockchain technology. No middleman, just smart software. Now let's talk about AI trading strategies. Imagine having a super fast assistant that watches the crypto market 24/7, looking for patterns and opportunities faster than any human could. That's basically what an AI trading strategy does. It uses data, market signal, and automation to help make trading decisions. One popular AI trading strategy is called the liquidation hunter. But first, what does liquidation mean? In crypto trading, some traders borrow money to make bigger trades. This is called leverage. If the market suddenly moves against them, their positions can automatically close to prevent bigger losses. That first closing is called a liquidation. And when lots of liquidation happen at once, price can move very quickly. That creates trading opportunities. The liquidation hunter AI trading strategy is designed to detect this sudden movement of volatility. The AI watches the market in real time. When it notices signs of heavy liquidation, like sharp price spikes or fast volume changes, it can automatically react within seconds. Instead of emotional decision making, the AI follows predefined rules and data. Let's look at a simple example. We open a DeFi trading platform, the Valeris Network. So you just go to your browser. Once you get to your browser, you input Valeris.network. Now, once you come to this page, once you are in this page, the first thing to do will be to connect your wallet. Remember, this is completely decentralized. So everything you're doing, you are in control. There is no registration or some sort of sign up. So the first thing to do is to click on this wallet icon here. Once you click on it, you click on the mnemonic phrase. Once that is clicked, provide your authentication, your phrase to the phrase to your wallet. Now once that is provided, click on the import. Make sure you are connected to Valeris.network and not somewhere else. Now once you are here, once the page has been loaded, to confirm if your wallet was connected successfully, click on this menu icon and then click on wallet. Now this should show you your wallet connected and also load your balances. Give it a few seconds. Now once this is done, the next thing to do will be to click on the menu and then go to markets. Once you are in markets, click on the AI trading strategies, which is this last button here on your mobile phone. But on the desktop, it's clear to see. You will see it at the top there. So once you click this, scroll down a bit, and then you see different strategies. We are currently looking for the liquidation hunter. So scroll down until we find the liquidation hunter. Here we have it. Now the next thing to do will be to click on the deploy strategy. Once you click on that button, the next thing to do will be to select the token you want to take your trading balance from. So for this we'll select Ethereum because I have enough balance. Now I want you to notice something here. At these options here, the liquidation hunter, they said minimum capital is $10,000. There are other trading strategies with lesser amounts that you can also trade, but for this video we are going to do the liquidation hunter. So just make sure you have at least this balance before you do this. Now the next thing to do will be to provide the quantity in USD that you want to trade. Now I'll be using $10,000 worth of Ether to do this. Now on this other side, I can leave this to trade on any pairs. Currently, the market is in a bearish structure, so yes, I can leave it to trade on any pair. So the next thing to do will be to acknowledge this, click on the I understand, and then deploy the trading strategy. Confirm the deployment and allow this to process for a few seconds. Now once this is done, as you can see, we have successfully deployed our bot. We can scroll up and see what our bot is currently doing, and as at now it has not made any profit. We just started it, so I'll give this a few seconds, or a few minutes rather, or hours, and then come back to it again, and we'll see what our bot is doing for us. This is almost 1 hour after we initiated our AI trading strategy, and so far we've gone over 55% of the capital that we invested. I'll be stopping this trade here. I can leave this to run on longer than this, and maybe we will get more profit, or maybe we would even lose more, but I think I've crossed the bandwidth for my profit. Always remember this: whenever you're trading, always have your target. Once you get there, exit the trade. So what I'll do first is to click on the stop. This will allow, I would check on this, I understand the disclaimer, and then click on the stop strategy. Now as you can see, I have stopped out of that trade. Now the next thing to do for me will be to withdraw my cash, my token, back to my wallet. But before I do this, I'd like to go back to the wallet again, and then let's view our balance. Let's see how much we currently have and how much ether we currently have. Now so far we have 4,000, and we have about 0.611771 ether in the balance. Now let's go back to markets. So come back here, we click on the AI trading bot, click on my bots, and then click on this button to withdraw our asset. Click on the I understand and confirm withdrawal. Now as you can see, we have successfully withdrawn this amount into our wallet. Now we can come back to the wallets again, and then view our balance and see how much we've actually made within the short period of time. As you can see, this is what we've made. So based on the AI programmed strategy, it automatically enters a short trade, meaning it expects the price to keep falling briefly. A few moments later, the market stabilizes and AI exits the trade automatically. This you can see from the AI trading history itself. Now let's say you can come back to the market again, and then click on the AI trading bot, and then scroll to my bots, and then click on the bot itself. You'll be able to see the history. Here you see multiple trades that the bot actually triggered to get all of this. AI trading strategy can be powerful because they help remove emotional trading, operate 24/7, and react faster than human. But crypto is still risky. Price move very fast, and no strategy guarantees profit all the time. That's why risk management is important. Start small, learn gradually, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. And that's the beginner-friendly basics of using AI trading strategy on DeFi platform. If you want more simple crypto tutorials, DeFi strategies, and AI trading guides, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. Because in crypto, the people who learn early usually move first. See you in the next video.